Today we're checking out the C&L stainless steel shorty headers for the 2011 to 2017 Mustang V6s. These headers are going to be a great option for Mustang owners looking to improve exhaust flow, gain modest boost in performance, and upgrade the tone of their V8 without going full long tube. The standout feature of these shorty headers is their ability to improve exhaust scavenging over stock manifolds. By optimizing the exhaust path and reducing restriction, these headers help increase horsepower and torque across the mid-range, giving your Mustang better throttle response and stronger acceleration where you use it the most. Designed in shorty configuration, they retain compatibility with your factory mid-pipe and catalytic converters, making them a more emissions-friendly option compared to those long tube headers. This means you can bolt them on without triggering the check engine light or needing an immediate tune, although the tune can help fully unlock the potential of their benefits. The equal length tubing design ensures that exhaust pulses reach the collector evenly, reducing turbulence and helping the engine breathe more efficiently. That results in a smoother power curve and a more refined exhaust note that enhances the natural sound of your V8 without being overly aggressive. These headers are also less likely to create ground clearance issues, making them a solid choice for daily drivers or lowered Mustangs that still want performance edge without the complications of a full exhaust overhaul. These headers are constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel, which resists corrosion and holds up well under high heat conditions. They're mandrel bent for smooth airflow and TIG welded for strength and durability. The flanges are going to be laser cut for precise fit to the cylinder heads, ensuring a secure seal and eliminating common leak points. The polished finish adds a clean performance look under the hood. As far as pricing goes, these are coming in right around that $300 price range. That's a solid value for stainless steel setup with improved flow characteristics, OEM compatibility, and bolt-on installation, all without the need to replace the rest of your exhaust system. Installation is fairly involved, so it's going to get rated to soft 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. Expect it to take you about 4 hours to get this job done. You'll need to access a lift or some good jack stands and a good set of hand tools to reach the tight spaces near that engine bay. No welding or cutting is required, but patience is key due to the limited room for maneuvering the headers into place. And if you aren't totally comfortable with this job, then go ahead and get some professional help and hire a mechanic. All right, that's gonna wrap up my review of the C&L stainless steel shorty headers for the 2011 to 2017 Mustang V6s. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.